how to make over $500 or more on repeat every single month. And you only have to do the work once. And after that, it's all about reordering whenever people say they want to buy it. Okay, so let me show you guys exactly what products to buy and exactly how you can make recurring money every single month after you do the work once. So how do you find products that will make you over $500 a month? So it might not just be one product, it might be multiple products that adds up to over $500 a month. If you guys been following my channel, I've been doing this for almost a year now, and every month I've made over $500 to even $3,000 a month. So this is the first time I've seen this tab, Dollar Express. You can click any category, any tabs, as long as you can sell it for more compared to Amazon. So right here, wireless headphones Bluetooth right here. So it only sells for $1.33. Just copy the title. If you guys have seen my last video right here, there's actually another good product. It is a bicycle light. $500 a month. When you think about it in business terms, if you never made over $500 a month in business, you think about it, if you have 50 items selling $10, you only need to sell 50 products in a month that profits $10. That's only on average selling 1 to 2 items a day. So that's actually very little. If you break it down like that, it's very doable. Some days you're going to sell 5 items, some days you're going to sell 1 or 2, some days you're going to sell 10. So this product right away, it's only for $1.33 and you can sell it for $20, $50. So you're not selling it on Amazon, you're actually posting it onto Facebook where there's not a lot of competition selling brand new items. So that's how you have the edge, and you're selling it for less than Amazon. So if you're only buying it for basically, let's just say $2 and you sell it for 20, let's just say you sell 5 of these in a month, you're already profiting. That's already right away $100. All right. So bam, that's already one product. So you just have to do this to every product and find out if you can sell more. So let's check out this one. Is a mini Bluetooth audio waterproof bathroom. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't even know those things existed. $2. These are selling for $10, $20. Okay, so the lowest price here is $10. All right, so I will sell it for $10. And then, of course, not every product's gonna sell perfectly, but let's just assume that every product sells for 5. Because for me, when a product does sell, on average, it sells maybe 3 to 10 to even 15 items a month. Okay, if you find a great product, it will sell over 15 a month. And I have about 4 or 5 of those items that sell a lot. So this one, basically, you're profiting $8. So if you sell it for 15, you're profiting $10. So let's just say you sell 5 in a month, then you're already making another $50. So that's $150, and you already found it in about a couple of minutes. If you guys are questioning how do we know if it's gonna sell, do I buy it? Do not buy the product yet until people are messaging you on Facebook, on OfferUp, or whatever platform you're selling it on, and they're serious to meet you. Then you buy the product. That way you mitigate all the risk. Do not just buy the product just because you can buy it for cheap and just hope that someone's going to buy it. In this business, do not hope. We need to guarantee that there's going to be a buyer before you buy the product. All right, so let's check out this light bulb. It's only selling for basically $2. Multicolor light bulb. So this product, it's selling for a little cheap, $7. So I wouldn't go this one. You can, because low price products probably sell more. People buy it more. So if you see my other videos, it doesn't hurt to just list it up. If you're investing $2 and you're able to make $5, that's already over 2 times X return on investment. If this product even sells 10 in a month and you make an extra 10 times 5, you make an extra $50, that's also a win. The reason why I'm saying that this is a recurring business, because once you list it up and then you never have to do the work again. Once people are messaging you, you're only just meeting up with selling them. It's basically an asset that you post it on Facebook, and it just makes you money every month for the rest of your life. Once you know it sells, all you have to do is keep reordering it and selling it, reorder, resell. As long as you're keeping up with the customers, then you're basically going to keep making recurring income, because once a product sells and there's demand, people's always going to want them. So this product wasn't a home run product, but you're still going to make $5 on it. If you do, then it's still a good product. When you look for products that are low price under $5, majority of the time it's always going to work, but it doesn't guarantee you making money, but it does guarantee that it sells for more on Amazon. So therefore you're able to make a profit from the difference. So let's just check out this outdoor solar light here. These guys are actually priced very low for $3. For $3, so these guys have 6 bundles, so you're only selling 1. So make sure you compare to the right. You don't just look at the price. Okay, so look for 1. So these guys are, let's say 2. You can sell in packs of 2. So you're spending basically $5 and selling for $20, $15 profit. Okay, these guys actually, for you selling higher packs. So yeah, so this guy's selling for $9. So basically you can buy 2 for $5 and sell for 20. So this one is kind of iffy too as well, because some are selling for less, some are selling for more. But as you guys see my other videos, if it's iffy, just list it up. You have nothing to lose. But this one, I wouldn't account it as a good product, It's just an iffy product, so let's go to a different product. I will still list it up though. Copy the images, copy the title, paste it on Facebook. Alrighty, so let's look here. Ceiling fan. That's pretty unique. Let's check that out. 3-in-1 rotatable ceiling fan. That's cool for $5. But I feel like it's just gonna show you a lot of real big fans. Yep, that's exactly what it did. Type in a portable. Yeah, this one's not gonna work because it's not the same product. Alrighty, here. Shower heads. We can try shower heads. Adjustable shower head, large, for only $4. Round it up. $4 right here. See, great product. $4. Let's just say $5 to make it easy for us. Selling for 50, 120, 50, 30. So for me, I do the average price. So I'll do like $40. So selling for 20. I'll list it for 40 and see how it goes. All right. So you're profiting $35. Let's just say you sell 5 in a month. So 5 times 35, $150 profit a month. And these are recurring, meaning if you sell 5 in a month, once you get back to one, you have 1 unit left, just buy 4 more. Just keep restocking, restocking, restocking like a regular store, right? So of course you're gonna know, you find out if it's selling 5 or 10 in a month, you know how to keep restocking. So you never run out of stock. Okay. So you never want to run out of stock, because some people, once they want it, they only want it for that time. And next time you message them, for some reason, they don't message you back. It's basically recurring income. You do it once. Once you find a product that sells, you can just keep buying them on AliExpress, or you can find other websites. You do that as well. And every month you can make recurring money from that. So I've been doing it since October. So it's been about like 10 months. And yeah, the money keeps coming in. The old products that I found since October, they're still selling to this day. So that's why I'm saying it's recurring. So just keep finding products, reinvesting, and eventually you're gonna get to over $1,000 a month. And it all depends on how much work you want to put into this business. Check out my other videos. I also break down finding products. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know.